Okay, so I just got some more goodies in the mail, and we're going to show you what's in here. A little bit of a mixed bag. This is something that somebody told me about. One of the quilters told me about, I think at the last quilt show I did, and it is diagonal seam tape. The idea is this is going to go on my sewing machine to help me with my 1/4 inch seams. On either side of the needle or wherever I want to place this. So I'm going to try that out. I will tell you what I think. Tucker trimmer. So the Tucker trimmer is a fantastic tool for trimming up half square triangles, and it does a whole bunch of other stuff, but I needed one because when I'm here in Florida, mine is at home. I needed to get another one because I'm going to be working on a quilt soon that is all half square triangles. All right, so these are some patterns. I got a couple of these because these go with the Hexamore Ruler that I have, and I want to make up some more of these. And so I did one of these in red and white, and it was fabulous. And so I'm going to do one in scraps because I've got a bunch of scraps I need to use up. So I have a couple of those patterns because then, of course, once I do them up, I put them on our website. This is another one for the Hexamore Ruler. The ruler looks like that, and I have that. Snack Time. These are all by Jaybird Quilts. That one I did do, and I needed to get another pattern because when I show that, I sold all of them, and I want to have one on hand to show with the quilt. And then Northern Lights, love that. I don't know what colors I'll do that in, but we're gonna find out. Okay, another thing, I just had an order come in for the Jelly Roll sampler. I needed to get another one in, and so this book, fantastic for jelly rolls, can't wait. And then the last thing, these, I got an order for, and I wanted one for myself because I don't have one down here. These are the hot rulers. These rulers are fantastic for doing, you can iron right on them, so when you're doing turning over an edge. So what I'm going to use it for is when I'm working on my labels for my quilts, I can take a label, make a label, and then I can turn it under a 1/4 inch and iron it right on the ruler. So those are fantastic. So those are the things that came in the mail today, and thanks for joining me.